Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling NFC and opening Google Pay. This lets your phone communicate with terminals. Sign in with your Google account, then tap Add Payment Method to begin. Use a debit or credit card or link a bank account. Google needs details and may request ID verification. Once you enter card numbers, make sure to accept terms and complete any SMS or two-factor prompts. After your card is verified, set Google Pay as default for contactless payments so you're ready for the next steps. Now add a card by scanning or typing card details. Accuracy matters because verification relies on that data. Your bank will usually send an SMS or email code. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership. If the bank asks, approve the request in your banking app or call to finish authentication. Once verified, choose whether to make Google Pay your default for NFC tap payments and adjust lock screen settings so you can pay quickly yet securely. Make sure notifications are enabled for future alerts and receipts. To make a payment, wake your phone and hold its back near the terminal until you see a checkmark or confirmation tone. Don't open the app unless asked. After the transaction, review the receipt in Google Pay to confirm amount and merchant. If a tap fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart your phone. Next, try removing and re-adding the card. If errors persist, check card status with your bank or update the app. Most issues are verification or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.